What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, once again, I'm going to take you on a shoot with me. I did something new, something for me pretty exciting. I did a shoot with a Polaroid camera, so I brought my Polaroid camera along. It's the Fuji film. Let me check. So it's this one right here, the Fuji film Instax 210, the wide one, and it gives that original Polaroid format, and I really like it. So I thought, why not try it out, take it on a shoot with me. But also, of course, I brought my digital camera with the flash. I don't really shoot with flash a lot, so it was new for me as well because the light wasn't as good and it was inside, but I was really happy with how the pictures turned out. And of course, the Polaroids are super dope, but also the digital ones that I took digitally, and then after I edited to get that Polaroid look. And for you guys who's interested in editing pictures in general that you take digitally and create that film look, I created a whole course, my first online course that I'm really proud of. I poured my heart and soul into this course. It's that Just Like Film course where I teach you everything that I know, everything I experienced, all my tips, tricks, what gear I use, how I reach out to models, then 3 techniques that I use while shooting to create that artistic film vibe. I'm gonna talk about lighting a lot, indoors, outdoors, natural light, flash, and then of course in the end I will take you behind my screen and show you a step-by-step editing process, how I edit my pictures to create that film look. So I really recommend that course. It includes all my secrets, everything that I do, everything that I use, and how I create my looks. So if you're interested in that, the link is under this video, and I'm giving you a $100 discount code, a coupon code that I just want you to have as a thank you for watching all of my videos. Just DM me on Instagram if you're interested in the discount code, and I'll write you back and send you the code. So yeah, make sure to check that out. Link is under this video, and I talked enough about that now. Let me just take you to the shoot and show you the mood. What's up, guys? It's almost, it's 8 a.m. in the morning, and we're on our way to meet Naciah. She has this beautiful location. It's kind of a loft, has a loft character, and today we want to try, because the light is not so good, we want to try shooting with flash using the Polaroid camera and of course the digital camera with flash. And I just wanted to take you along and see what we can create. So we're in the front of the studio now. Yeah, actually I don't know which bell to ring, so I'll just give her a call. So we just came here. This is a sick location. Naciah's boyfriend is an artist, international artist, and he has the studio, and we're blessed to shoot here today. I'm absolutely blown away by this place. I've never shot in such a location. The light is not that good because it's kind of cloudy outside, but we have the flash with us, and so we're trying to make it work, and I'm sure we're going to create some really crazy shots. We're gonna take this as a backdrop right here. You can see it, just a canvas, and make it look a little artistic. Just match the vibe of the location. So today we're shooting with flash. Actually, it's one of my first time shooting with flash. Give it all like a vintage Polaroid vibe. We took the Polaroid shots and now we're trying to do this to get as close to the Polaroid as possible. So yeah, we'll see what we can get out of this. And that's it, guys. This was the shoot with Naciah. She was super nice, super friendly, and super open to us to just invite us to her or her boyfriend's studio, which was an absolutely crazy location. I've never been in such a studio, so that was a really dope experience for me. So thank you to Naciah in this case, and of course thank you to you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content, and once again, let me tell you about my film course that I created for you guys. It's my online course with 28 videos where I show you exactly how to recreate that film look that I do. So if you want to dive deeper into photography, I think that's a good point to start at. And of course also there's a lot of overlays and files and everything to download to really create grains or frames or scratches and dust in front of your pictures to make it look as real as possible, as close to film as possible. So yeah, make sure to check that out. $100 discount code if you DM me on Instagram. And yeah, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I would have never thought to make it this far with this channel back when I started. So this is to you guys. Thank you so much for the support, the love, for keeping me going. And I hope I can motivate you guys and give you back some of that positive vibe that you give me. And together we can just grow and be more creative and just help each other out. So thanks so much. Have a great day. Stay healthy. Stay creative. Peace.